morning, children. Hello, everyone. All of you take out history book, chapter 8, page number 57. Today we learn about devotional paths to the divine. The early medieval period in India witnessed the beginning of two powerful religious movements, the Bhakti movements and the Sufi movements. These new ideas affected the religious ideology, beliefs, rituals and cults of Hindus and Islam. In the medieval period, people started worshipping a variety of gods. The control of the priests increased, worship became completed, and customs were cruel to the people of lower caste and women. This questioning led to the rise of Bhakti and Sufi movements. The Bhakti movements. The word Bhakti means devotion or love for God. It is the total surrender of the self to God. It is extreme love for God without expecting anything in return. Those believes God having a form and those believing God as formless, their teaching were simple. They taught in the local language and were popular among the masses. The Alvars were devotees, the Vishnu, also called the Vishnu Navi deities, and these Nayanas were devotees of Shiva, also called Shiva Vaitis. Common teaching of Bhakti saints: devotion of one God, equality of the human beings, emphasis of honesty, truth and kindness, discrediting of rites and sacrifices. Adi Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya was born in a poor, pious Brahmin family in Kerala. He played a major role in the revival of Hinduism. Vedanta or the Modism, according to the doctrine of Advaita God and the created world is one. He thought the salvation was possible through devotion to God. Ramanuja. He belonged to the Alvar Bhakti sect. According to him, everyone could attain salvation by the worship of God. His teachings appealed to many people. Basava. He was a philosopher and a political reformer of Karnataka. Basava was the founder of the Linkayat movement. Linkayats were the worshippers of Lord Shiva. Chaitanya. Chaitanya was born in Nadia and was a devotee of Lord Krishna. He preached universal brotherhood and love. Shankaradev. Shankaradev was a great religious reformer of Assam. He founded the Neo-Vaishnava sect called Aksharana Nam Dharma in Assam. Daul Dayal. Daul Dayal, he was a popular saint poet from Ahmedabad. He preached the unity of all religions. Ravidas. Ravidas was the cobbler, was caste and believed that one's action rather than birth disgusted him from others. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya was the native of Bengal and a social reformer. He was a devotee of Radha and Krishna. Saints of Maharashtra. Namdeva, Saint Tukaram, Guru Ramdas and Saint Janadeshwar were Marathi saints. They were against all forms of righteousness. Guru Granth Sahib. Sant Tukaram sang devotional song called Abhagas. Shivaji was influenced by Guru Ramdas. Mirabai was the devotee of Krishna. Her songs were called Padas. Raga Govinda and the Raga Mira Malar are the most famous. Nathapanthis, Siddharthas and Yogis. They were the group of the people who advocated renunciation of the world. According to them, it was vital to train the mind and the body through meditation, yoga, breathing, exercising. These groups became particularly popular among low caste. They challenged conventional religion and rituals. That is all. Rest I will teach you tomorrow. Thanks.